Imagine checking your accounts on a random Tuesday morning. Nothing extraordinary has happened. No promotion, no raise, and no lottery win. Yet, as you look at the numbers, you realize your investment portfolio quietly generated more income this month than your actual job. For years, you have operated under a strict agreement. You trade your time, energy, and focus for a paycheck. You show up, you meet the deadlines, and you get paid. When that math shifts, you begin to see your finances through a different lens. The focus moves away from the size of the balance and toward the fact that a portion of your life is no longer dependent on your labor. We are taught a standard equation for success. If you want more money, you work longer hours, get a better degree, or climb the corporate ladder. This works for a while, but it eventually hits a biological limit. There are only so many hours in a day and only so much energy you can expend before you reach a hard ceiling. Under this system, the income is tied to your constant participation. If you stop showing up because of illness or burnout, the money stops arriving. Relying exclusively on physical labor creates a fragile financial foundation. It requires you to stay tied to the machine indefinitely to keep the system functioning. The alternative is a system that generates income independently of your fatigue or your location, a process that gradually recruits time as a partner. Reaching that point requires surviving phase 1, where you carry the portfolio. During this period, you contribute consistently, but the actual financial gains feel microscopic. This is a psychological trap. Because the progress seems insignificant compared to the effort of saving, it often feels like the math isn't actually working. Many people make the mistake of interrupting the process here. They become impatient and chase risky opportunities just as the compounding is beginning to take hold. The most difficult and necessary skill in this phase is the ability to wait. Successful investing often requires doing nothing while the initial momentum slowly builds. Eventually, the process moves into phase 2, where the portfolio starts to help. The gains become large enough to act as a meaningful contributor to your monthly expenses. Finally, you reach phase 3, where the portfolio carries you. Investment returns consistently exceed your salary. A $1 million portfolio earning a 7% return after inflation generates $70,000 a year. That money arrives without meetings or alarm clocks. This employee never sleeps. Unlike a human worker, this autonomous system becomes more efficient and productive with every passing year that it remains undisturbed. Reaching phase 3 changes your relationship with work. The portfolio is no longer a balance you have to protect, but a machine that supports your life. People often focus on the status symbols of wealth, the luxury cars or high-end lifestyle upgrades. But the most significant change is the psychological shift. You can show up to work knowing that an unexpected layoff wouldn't create a crisis because the paycheck is no longer your only means of survival. This creates leverage in your career. It gives you the standing to negotiate with confidence, take creative risks, and leave environments that no longer serve you. Real wealth provides the options and leverage necessary to lower the baseline of financial anxiety in your daily life. It allows you to make decisions based on what you want rather than what you fear. There are 2 ways to build a life, one that relies entirely on your own effort and one that eventually recruits time as a partner. When the pressure of the paycheck is lifted, the future feels less uncertain. You stop obsessing over getting richer and start noticing the choices you finally have. Crossing the threshold where investments out-earn your job marks the moment your money begins functioning as a partner alongside you. It is the transition from working for your capital to having your capital work for you.